So hi, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, hi, I'm Jelana. I'm 19 and currently I'm a home health aide.
We won the good, die young and poor. I gave it all I could. Stuck in a stereo dome. All I see is terrible, making us hysterical. It's got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this head of mine, intrusive thoughts that paralyze.
Okay, y'all, so I'm running a little late. I'm fucking driving right now, and I'm gonna be like 5 minutes late. I'm trying not to be late, so I'll be just speeding. But you know, hopefully we're gonna get there, and it's only gonna be 5 minutes late, so I'm not too late. But yeah, let's go check out this campus and see what classes they have for me. Okay, y'all, I made it. I'm currently only 5 or 6 minutes late, but I did not know where the door was, so yeah, I parked around the other side entrance. Y'all, my legs are burning. But you know, let's go in here, see what this is about.
As of April, we have LPN, which we've had 3 classes so far. What's up, Mike? Hey, how are you? Good. CNA is in the back corner with Miss Amy. But LPN sim lab, HVAC classroom, estheticians. We got Halloween door decorating contests going on right now.
So I didn't get too much filming in the inside, but y'all, I did. I love it. The class is only 4 weeks long. Then it's clinical trials and stuff. And you know what? I'm about to make phone calls to become my boyfriend's grandma's aide right now, because I need this. And I've been praying for this, y'all. And now that it's actually about to come true, it literally makes me want to cry. But you know, fuck it. We're doing a vlog. I'm about to go donate plasma, so y'all will come with me to do that. I got to use the bathroom, so we're at Wawa. Because, child, do I gotta go party? And I'm about to call my job and accept these shifts. Okay, y'all, I did forget to update y'all. I did already go do my, oh my god, my plasma thing. And this shit is not on right. Like, the lady did not do that right. And obviously I couldn't film in the plasma place. I don't know if any of y'all ever done plasma before, but you can't film in there. Also, I went to go pick up my brother's belongings from the jail. So that's done. And now I'm on my way back to my house to go see my man, to go eat lunch or eat something. I'm hungry. I don't know what we're about to eat yet. And I'm about to check these cards to see if my brother has any money on any of his stuff or anything like that. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a few. I didn't get enough content after school, so I'm vlogging. So y'all, huh? You have boxers on, babe. You're not naked. My team package, alright. You know what that means? Halloween costumes in the bag. Right now. Get up. Okay, so I got these little tight thingies. Whatever. I can't take my plasma off. Y'all, my Halloween costume is right here. Stop playing with them. Okay. First, I'm gonna try on the easiest thing, which is this black jacket that I got because I don't have no jacket and it's getting cold outside. It's thin. Real question is it gonna fit me? You're not even in the camera, so just stay over there. Okay. It's supposed to, yes, and it has the little things. Babe. Not in the camera. You can't be in the camera attention, babe. That's not how. I'm just gonna stand in front of him because I don't. Babe! You're in the camera! Okay, you're fine. They fit! Try on the shirt. Oh, yeah. Once he's dressed, he'll show y'all. Okay, so this is like, I thought it was gonna be looser. I did definitely size up. I should got like the biggest size, but
You don't have to steal my shit no more.
still gonna be some new stuff. It's only one jacket. Okay, so it's not that bad. You know, it's cute.
This shirt is questionable.
What do you mean?
Oh, never mind. It was questionable at first.
I don't think you look like Aladdin though. I don't know what the fuck are all the costumes.
I look like something.
Yeah, you look like a prince. You look like Aladdin.
Like something.
Give me the camera so they can see. And I gotta take this thing off. It's still bleeding? That's because the bitch didn't know how to put it on. Oh, I got my scrub top. I'm wearing this to work tomorrow. Come here. It's okay, we're gonna work with it.
I guess.
We're gonna work with it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna come back when we got the stuff. We were supposed to be Aladdin and Jasmine. I don't know what it's given. I don't know what it's given. I could definitely twerk and stuff.
Oh my gosh.
But I don't think we're going to like a twerk type party, y'all. I don't know. Okay, pause that. I have to go actually see what it looks like. So we're with the hot guy, but he looks gay. Heard his name's Domingo. Okay, so this is we're gonna wear these and we gotta take pictures.
Okay.
But we're going to a game night tomorrow and we're gonna wear these. Buddy looks. Okay, y'all, I'm waiting for my, gas. I'm waiting for my gas to get here. And then go upstairs. I'm gonna finish eating. And then we're gonna move these beds. And then pretty sure that's like the video. Because tomorrow we're gonna film another one. But, just trying to stay more consistent. Trying to get, I really love this. Like, it's really cute. I'm gonna love temu. But I hope y'all like the look, cause chill. Okay, y'all. Let me get my camera on. Okay, y'all. My man is washing his hair so I could braid it, and I'm about to eat.
Drop off the key on your way out?
Roger that.
Anyways, y'all, that's a wrap. Me and my man did not do nothing but lay up and blue laugh. So, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And, see you again.